Okay, so I'm going to do a video on taking off this spark plug cover, removing the coils, removing the spark plug and testing for a spark. So to begin with, we just got to take this cover off. It's 3 8mm bolts, so I'll do that now and come back. So the bolts are undone. I'm going to pull the cover free, then you see 2 coil packs. One coil pack runs 2 cylinders, and then obviously these are your coil-on-plug covers, and your HT leads and your spark plugs are down there. So I'm going to do an hard one. Obviously just pull that off and undo the spark plug, but obviously these coils cover them, so I'm going to do the hardest one, take it off and test it and show you how to do it. So again, it's an 8mm. Just undo them 2 nuts and it should pull free with the coil plug, and then we can take the spark plug out. So there you go, that's the coil plug, coil on plug and the coil pulled off. As you can see down there is your spark plug. So next I'm going to take that out. So the size 10mm spark plug, I'm just going to undo that now, pull the plug out. That's it, spark plug that. Oily because the rings are gone. So as you can see, it was sparking. Now I use this lead so I can set it up where you can see it with the camera. You obviously don't have to do that. All you have to do is touch it to the metal body of the engine. Wear gloves. Some people don't, but I don't like to get shocked. But that's how you test if it's sparking or not.